Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick Hill TV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick Hill TV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. And all things that's good. Seen? Welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. Seen? Youth and youth. Oh no, gunman and gun people. I don't know, I really try to give a sense of purpose, right? So, seen? When I hear me talk about an entertainer and things like that, if you notice me not dig too deep into the mess of the entertainer, it always try. I like how for them actions reflect back on our particular action at the moment reflect on politics or the politics of the youth, them, the education, the culture, the moral standard and them things, because it all add up. You understand what I say? The whole of them work hand in hand. You see, I'm not really there for it. And it's not about politics and politician guys. It's not about UIC, GLP, or PNP. See, far as I'm concerned, all of them have to swear a certain level of allegiance to the Queen before them can govern the country. You see, and if UIC win the election tomorrow, he have to do that before him can claim say he want to change anything so that nobody else now have to do it. But at this moment, everybody will do it, embrace it, and enjoy it. We don't know how he might plan to do it successfully with female time. We don't know how, see, but whatever. So at the same people them where, we are work against her, we are work we far for this longest while, forever since. See, not much a change. See, at the youth them, I'm gonna try put on a certain meds, a certain level, make the youth them understand them position so that them know say what each man mean to each other. See, because like me and I say one word change the status quo, One word, put in a sentence, and it all add up to the youth them, and the youth them draw back and think. That's why I love the new song the Vibes Cartel sing when he really. See, we should have it playing on the background. See, but somebody tell me saying copyright claims go to them to process it properly. I mean, I want they can kick a man and him down and I go on like me and name him food when I him fear eat. Me can't do that. So we not too yeah. See, but yeah, and the youth them rasta. See, them we are trying to influence and make them know. So if you notice my prison story them, I'm gonna show you some of their prison. I'm an orchestrate and deliver my story them. I not try to romanticize and glamorize nothing. Neither badness nor prison liberty. See it. We just show the youth them the harsh reality and show the youth them how to survive even in there. See what the survival is like in there, as a matter of fact, not how to survive. So it's up to you if you want to know, say, you're going to live in a big style for a couple of years and still decide, so well, and you know what, me I go all out and continue down the road there and go do it. See. When I talk about politicians or I chat to politicians, Rasta, my argument lead back to youth development, the future youth, them not me want contract or go want to work over so around so. Me need it, yes, but Me not put myself in the equation right now. You know, see, the youth, them we are trying. This is not about me and you, what you like or what you dislike. You know, see, when you hear me talk about an entertainer, the entertainer, them a public figure in a Jamaica, if them no want to accept it, yes or no, them have a role for play. You know, see, them have a role for play in a way, society. You know, see, them have more influence, bigger influence than the ghetto amongst the ghetto youth them and the ghetto people and more than anybody else. Because again, nobody else care. And they even come like the entertainer, them not care much no more either. The vast majority of them. Soon as them start travel abroad, them detach themselves from the grassroots culture and I try go R&B where dancehall create. You understand what I say? I try to be something with them was created out of them. Anyway, now no disrespect to the genre. R&B genre at best. At the body. Not, wait, maybe not R&B, sorry. Hip-hop, not R&B. Hip-hop. See? I want bad genre and things like that. We not disrespect it. You know, see, but we notice, you know, stick to, well, however, but again, with the culture being admired and adored, adapted, so wide and vastly, even till this day, up until now, why you not emulate it? What in your head? What sort of influence in your head that tell you say, don't promote, don't be your culture? You understand? Yes, there's good and bad about it, and the more you abandon it and walk away from it like it not have nothing to do with it, the worse it continue get. You know, see, Kadisha party was a hit the other day, yeah. You know, see, at them type of scene and scenario, you know, creating a Jamaica and walk away left it from the youth, them. Because this selfish, egotistic mentality where I just nyama food mentality where you just nyama food and take time, take on yourself, detach yourself from society and go complain about Jamaica. And even the drugs man them and the man them will come abroad and nyama food. Them nyam the biggest and the best food off of Jamaica because when them done wash down for them drugs to nothing and sell it to them Jamaican brother. For them brother go struggle to sell it. See? Trust it to them Jamaican brother. And them brother gone out, they gonna struggle to sell it and them a call them and a pressure them, yo, where my money there? And you with dead feet too. You know, see, yo, they struggle with film rubbish. And him know a rubbish him give. It worth half the price where him give for half the value. You know, see? Or less. But nothing more. You know, see? And you want to bring down a disgrace and we send and go murder your family in Jamaica too. And all them little thing there. You know, see it? And still, when him suck off film riches, him complain and if him now bust down a piece of Jamaica, a community of Jamaica for himself while him live peacefully and and lawfully, as law abiding as possible at Jamaica for conceal film little business where him do abroad. You know, see it? While him live as law abiding over abroad as possible. You know, see it? High level of hypocrisy and the biggest first man them for complain how much set of people them for complain how Jamaica mash up and Jamaica done and all them sort of something there. You know, see it? Nobody take no responsibility and looking at themselves and know say, I want to know how it reach the way it is. You see, yes, stronger influence there, but everybody is susceptible to the influence as well because it has evolved over time. And the evolution has proven in the youth them action and morals and things like that. You see, how you think it all stop. Somebody need to educate the youth them where it come from and where it there and why it reached there so. You see, what it meant in its origins and things like that. I make them know say even them themselves act like imposters against them owner, imposter in them owner fight. Like them take over the fight and change the tone, change the narrative and everything now just look phased out and just ordinary criminality. And then nothing more is being gained from the fragmentation as it is right now. See, as how it used to be when head knocked together, see, and things more, you have a certain semblance of order. Power and strength, them say power corrupt absolutely. me just be done this. I mean, me not talk about no absolute power. Power, particularly in our one. You know, see, come like say, in some them little individual egoism there. If you don't make a man know say, hey, you show off in now do nothing to me and me alone, you can't show off, man. No Jamaican when you see come down, they can't do. The things that a Jamaican come down will come do. Him can't do it a foreign pan white people and feel relevant. Nothing where you see a Jamaica do on a video a foreign. A Jamaica. See? I even foreign too. When you see them do it in a foreign dance up here and all them time. If them do it in a white crowded party, I say wet up one another with champions. If them do that in a white party, everybody took out them phone and a video them so with them mouth wide open. Them now video them like, yeah. Everybody have video them for show them friend tomorrow how, you know. For because they Frightened Fridays. How Frightened Fridays live. Yeah. Them not do it because them know them all look ridiculous to the white crowd. Them know them all look proper stupid. Why them do it amongst one another and show it to Jamaican people like say it's a universally acceptable thing. You know, we are the only people where find extraordinary, exuberant, the most exuberant way for show off by one another, not for impress. Because you can impress more with kindness. You see, you can impress more with the extension of your generosity. You see, rather than the self-absorption and the muggling and the acting like, you know, let's enjoy this minute because we're not sure of the next one. And that's the energy where I come from. The man them. You know see, particularly the one them where find themselves with that thing. You know see, you know? So that's how we think that. That's why we have to try to reach out to the youth them and try show them up and make them know say you don't feel away. You know see? You know see? Right, I know if you go across them, I've never seen anywhere yet. But well, England and Jamaica alone, maybe. You know. You see the things that will affect Jamaican people what we call, all right, mental illness then. See, because we don't want to see mental illness. You have some pill over here where the people them get for free, you know, where them just take a course of them for the month and them will go back for another course. And them people you can't tell them say, you know, say, them have mental illness. You know, see, them right now we have enough people on YouTube where do them, enough white people on YouTube where do them flag and all them sort of sit them and, you know, see, them we tell you say them bipolar and them sort of something them schizophrenia and them sort of something, but still them have a personal, professional life. You know, time after time you might not see them when them poorly or feel poorly if them, and a lot of cases, feed them, you know, miss, you know, something like the therapy somewhere. Like, for instance, them miss a dose, a pill, for a day or something like that then. For a week or whatever, run out and don't know, or however, whatever, we don't know why it happened. You know, see, them go back a cool off for a day until the new course take hold again, them come back normal again and up and running, and you never know, because you can't imagine from where you see, say, at that reaction there, at that character, when them is not medicated, or so them behave and all type of thing that seriously. You know, see it. So, enough of our people when we walk up and down on the road and I struggle our youth, them and them look at something. Sometimes some simple things sort them out. You know, see it. Oh, I pay attention to them things. And it cheap. You know, see it. Oh, I pay attention to them sort of something there and I try develop the youth. All them are create a stress, more stress, for a hopeless group, a hopeless generation. You know, see, and them hopeless, you know. And them now no hopes, everybody born in hopes. But no, we not design the positive hopes. The positive hopes, we not demand none from we leader them. You know, see it right now, one of the leader them come out and I say, if it up to him alone, he would have bring back capital punishment. And then I one come out again and I say, we need to, we have to get wicked pan them to me. I wonder who if he not say him white, who him attack forget wicked upon. Oh wickeder, Mark Golden, and who you really did attack. I must look into that. This not normal. You know see it, at them level of compassion here. We at them consideration there, the youth them get. The future get. Them intimidation and threat there. And them know, them act like, so well then them, you know, them can't see the deprivation, them can't see the wants and needs where the youth them have. Them can't see there is no hopes. Them people have access abroad. See, them have access to Wi-Fi daily, free. See, so them can see what going on when them not live abroad. Rasta, them see progress, them see, I mean, youth development. See, everywhere you have weakness, you know, you have breakdown, and you have inequalities, and them all them sort of thing there. But you see the simple, cheap resource them, some only for simple, cheap resource them there, where because probably better opportunities and things like that. You find say, man, ambition bigger, have higher ambition. So he tell himself, I have higher ambition, so he now look on the little simplest, the simple other resource them would have benefit are, you know, would have, you know, get your take them for granted type of thing. You know, see, while, you know me I say, so our politicians them can say them not observe them divide there and see how this could have better enable a demographic for, you know, for better contribute to even them personal growth and development, Rasta. You know, manage the stress and the struggle some more. You know, see, a big part of Rockford, Warwick Isle, where my community where me come from, most of the young, a big part of the young youth, them, Rasta, have mental health issues. Serious mental health issues. And we have to just watch it. Youth and youth where we know grow with and born and grow with. So just watch them and deteriorate day by day and go around and we can't do nothing. All you have to do is just feed them. You can't keep them clean. You can't do nothing else. Most thing a man will concentrate on is a spliff, some alcohol or some food. You can't bad him up or force him to go. You have to take care of certain things. Yeah, you have certain man, yeah, it will happen. But you have to take care of him. You see, well, you don't know the different levels of thing and things like that. You know, see, but if them focus there on the youth, them, if the thing I deteriorate day by day more and more, and we now hold nobody to consequence, and the people them were supposed to be affected by the lack of focus, you know, the lack of effort, you know, the lack of compassion from the people who make themselves a success and become a public figure from among us, you know, not sure about nothing towards us in terms of personal development. I even try finding some, you know, whatever, however. Moral development we are talking about. When I talk about a man come back and come give nothing and that work, it only that is again is putting a sticky plaster over a band-aid and it encourages the Nyama food culture because when you them can sit down and know say certain times them can expect a certain rich guy, a certain entertainer, a certain prolific figure to come buy back in we are buy status in the community. You know, see, yeah, everybody and every youth sit down and wait on that and take that. You know, see, I need to give some, I tell you, laziness. You give some guy gratification as well. And girl, but them feel like, say, yeah, them do something. You know, see, and when them going back to youth, them there, stuck, you know, the day before them come. The day before them come, start back all over again for the youth, them. The day after them gone, Rasta. You know, see, youth, them not have, them not learn nothing. Rich, successful people just come give you a fish. You know, see it and gone again and all them sort of something there. And them thing that we are born out and you know. I'll put a sticky plaster over a wound, and I encourage a certain, agenda, mind you, because the Nyama food culture, this is it. You see, and you them can't see it another way. If them see it easy takings, easy pickings, them are gonna take it and run with it. You see? You see? So if we can Rasta, if we can hold our leader them to consequence Rasta and our same people them where experience una how old, not do that over here so again. You see, because if we don't live for the past 20 years in Jamaica politics, Rasta, if we're not 20 now, yeah, we don't have bad experience with Jamaican politics. See, whereas the people them were 70, 60. You know, see it. And now the youth them were younger and just a come up. I look pan in a more society, yeah, when a youth talk to vast percent of the elder them, when a youth talk to, when I say when a teenager talk to her like a 50-year-old, yeah, that 50-year-old usually can tell the youth about some good times in a fame or adulthood, some hopeful prospect, some nice a period of just growth. You understand what I say? Regardless of the time, what things are at the time when him and the juvenile attack. You see, him supposed to can say, yo, so when me, alright, you see between 1980 and 1995, this used to go on and a beer that and rate and ray blah blah and that and do. You're supposed to show some level of that's hope as well. Even when you don't have nobody promise the things that the elder or the 50-year-old experienced when he was younger. See? It's hope to the youth, the juvenile, where here say, them things are going already, it can go on again. Right now, we don't have no 50-year-old we can really say to the youth them, under them say, we did have that period there, nice, calm, crime-free, or murder-free. We not talk crime-free. We don't mean crime-free, you know what I mean? We mean wanton murder-free. You see it? We don't mean John kill Harry round there, so. And then everybody say, I hear that thing that John keep up or Harry Joseph or whatever, and we go, Harry Joseph run where our John brother just go back for John, or people them just, anyway John there. And them type of thing there we are talking about, them thing that do happen. You see, the people them gang mob John or whatever, or one man, and just say, I hear that thing keep up, because you crease you dent the piece right there. So, see it, however, whatever. See it, and then everything build again and move on. We're not talking about them incident there where ironed out. Because you do have incident in a periods of, calm where could have triggered, a different energy, and due to the value of the calm, man compromise them ignorance and ego and just say this have to work out as diplomatic as possible, and it work out for maintain the interest of the better good, of the greater good. See, but this is beyond ego still. This is beyond men or boys and them petty ego. See, I've seen a great example of this very thing happen around a Mountain View where I keep mentioning, and I am admiring it, and I'm very, very much impressed. All of Mountain View, big up Jarrett Lane, big up GX Road, big up 63, Mammy Scott, big up the old Gorgeous Lane, Backbush, all the way go up to Nannyville, Top Range, all Mountain View, Burger Gully, McGregor Gully. Yes, I. See it? Yeah, role models. We need, as I go. I want to business if a guy want to feel crease because we call him favorite artist name, where him don't know, where him never meet yet, or him favorite politician name. Aside go Rasta, this mediocre level of thinking or mediocre approach now work. You see, they me and Mark Golden do a whole conference and a bare flat raw patwa. The man talk straight till the very end. You know see it? Because I know how to connect with grassroots. Him know the issue of grassroots, him know what it take every politician do. But when them get in a parliament, them all of them detach themselves from it and act like them not them unfamiliar with the process, them don't know how to remedy or counter the direction. You know see it? I don't know if some guy have some different experience or the politician themselves a text a message and everything. I wonder for them. I must them Rasta. You know see it? Anyway, I give thanks. Share, like, and subscribe. See you? Rastafari.